Welcome to the policypass video training module on the evacuation policy. This policy ensures everyone at the service knows how to respond safely and calmly during an emergency requiring evacuation. The aim of this policy is to protect the safety and well-being of all children, staff and visitors, establish clear practice procedures for orderly evacuation, educate everyone about their roles and responsibilities, and ensure compliance with regulations and best practice. Implementation includes displaying clear evacuation floor plans and emergency contacts, conducting regular evacuation drills at least every 3 months, maintaining up-to-date emergency kits and attendance records, and providing ongoing training and support for all staff. Management responsibilities include developing, reviewing and communicating the policy and evacuation plan, ensuring resources for drills, equipment and staff training are available, overseeing compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, and liaising with families and emergency services. Educators and staff are responsible for following evacuation procedures and assigned roles during emergencies, supervising and accounting for all children during evacuation, supporting children emotionally and physically throughout the process, and reporting incidents and providing feedback after drills or events. Families are responsible for providing accurate, up-to-date emergency contact information, understanding and supporting the service's evacuation procedures, sharing any special needs or concerns about their child's safety, and following instructions and communication protocols during emergencies. Together we create a safe, organised and calm environment for everyone during emergencies. Thank you for watching this training module on the evacuation policy. Let's continue to prioritise safety, preparedness and clear communication for every child, family and staff member.